Welcome to a new Eventee video. My name is Roman and I'm here to tell you all the new features that we have just released in Eventee 3.1. Let's take a look at it. User groups was one of the most requested feature in last months, maybe even years. What you see right now is Eventee administration, and here I'm able to create a new group of users with different set of features. So where this is useful, imagine that you have an event with 3 different tiers of tickets, and only the most expensive ticket will have access to B2B networking feature of Eventee. Now you are able to do that. You are able to create 3 different groups, and only one of them will have access to this feature. And that's not everything. You can also create different agenda for each individual group. Let me show you how it works. Let's go to detail of this session. Scroll down and there is advanced button. Here I can choose to which group this session will be visible to. Let's say robots, select group, save. Now let me filter the agenda based on the groups so you can easily see which sessions will be accessible to which group. Isn't this cool? There is one more thing. Let me go back to detail of this session. Scroll down to advanced, and as you can see, you can also set session to be mandatory for one or multiple groups, which means that such a session will be marked as mandatory and it will be more visible in our client applications, which is super cool because attendees will know which sessions are more important than others. And there is one last thing I wanted to share with you. Now you can send push notifications to different groups. It works the same way as before. As you can see here, I prepared my message, but let's say I want to send this not to everyone, but only to one specific group. All I need to do is just select the group, let's say unicorns, select, and click send now. That's how easy it is. Finally, now you can create overlapping sessions in Eventee and it will not be considered as an error. So from now on, you can create even more complex agendas and everything will work fine in Eventee. There is a small change in behavior of Eventee application. For each of the partners that you create, we generate a QR code for you. Previously, when anyone scans the QR code, they will go to the website of the partner. Now, when you scan the QR code, you will go directly into Eventee application to the partner's profile. Small improvement in Eventee administration: when you are creating partners, you can now sort all of them alphabetically and it will be presented that way in our mobile applications. We also improved our live questions and live polling feature. What you see right now is the new projector mode. As you can see, there is a new QR code. When attendees scans the QR code, they will go directly into the session's detail and they can ask the questions from here. If you would like to, you can hide the QR code, that's totally up to you. And also, if the lighting conditions in the room are not great, you can decide if you'd like to use the new dark mode or keep it as a light mode. You can now use new platforms to sign up or logging into Eventee. Next to Facebook, LinkedIn, and Apple ID, you can now use your Google or Microsoft accounts. And last small improvement of Eventee is Eventee trial mode. Now, when you are new to Eventee and you would like to try all the features, you don't need to do it by yourself. You can invite up to 2 colleagues. So what do you say? I'm super excited, especially about the new user groups. But that's not everything. We are working hard on new exciting features and we plan to roll some of them in next several months. So if you'd like to know more, do not hesitate to subscribe to our videos and our newsletter. And I hope to see you sometime soon with a bunch of new features. Have a great day.